Oh man, we got part 2.
The reason for the pulse is this shaft. So when it strokes this way, say it holds 10 gallons of oil, or sorry, 10 gallons of water. Yeah, I don't know the actual number. When it strokes this way, it's 10 gallons. But when it comes back this way, it's only got to say 5 gallons. That's your difference in water. That's your pulse.
Okay.
Because it's not 10 and 10, it's 10 and 5.
Got it.
Water.
Where does the water go in and out of the pump at?
So this is your suction side, right? So when the pump is stroking this way, this opens and it's filling this void full of water. All right, but when it comes back, it shuts the valve. And this is your high side, this is your pressure side out.
Pushes it out.
Pushes it out. I'll show you what the valve looks like. It's a suction valve. That's all it is. So it sits in there like this.
And it pulls itself open?
Well, it's just head pressure in the tank, so there's nothing forcing water to this pump.
Okay.
It's just gravity. So it opens, sucks it in, and when it goes to compress, it slams this one shut. Starts to compress. Off the top.
Pushes up top.
That springs all stiff with it.
Yeah.
Here, this one.
How do those get locked on?
O-rings. They just sit in there.
They don't just pop out?
No, because it's got a big block.
Oh, okay.
You have a piece of it. It just sandwiches it. See how it works?
So it keeps it down while you slide it in?
Yep. So what we're
Oh, so it can go this way.
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're smashing this down, pressing it, and the barrel will start right on this foot. It'll just push right over and the seal will transfer in the barrel.
And that's where we got that pop earlier.
Yeah, that was just
So is this like a custom creation, or did this come with the,
no, this is
what do you call it?
I just call it seal pressure.
Oh,
I had it made years
very
ago.
creative of you.
I made it, I had it made years ago. Basically, I just gave them a barrel or a plunger. The machine shop just made it to where I could take it on and off. So just run it down and slide her on. Well, last night we just we got it all cinched together in the impact. We had to pick it up, set it up on some wood, so we can get the torque wrench on it. So the reason we do the torque is so you just use an impact, it'll actually pull the pump. Because you'll have, say, 800 pounds over here and you only have 500 here, so it's not loaded.
Mm-hmm. And consistently, right? If you're using a gun or a drill, you don't know.
You know what you're getting.
Yeah.
So, torque them, you know what it's at. So you know it's even, it's flush. It's not, one don't have more than the other. Because they do stretch. They stretch very easily. That's not right. That's when you start seeing the leaks around the barrels. When they stop torque right, they'll actually start pushing. So long. So now we started at 300, torqued it up, just worked our way up to 600. Now we're gonna put the multiplier on it and work our way on up to 1400.
Chuck, can you handle 1400?